welcome to Pit Smoke. I'm Charlie, and today we're going to do a vegetable sausage smoke bake, I guess you'd call it. We're going to put this all together and we're going to put it in our smoker, our pellet grill, and bake it. I've got 2 yellow squash, 2 zucchini, I have half a bell pepper, I have some homemade kielbasa, and then I bought 1 beef kielbasa here, which I wasn't sure how much I had left, so I got some extra. So we're gonna put this in there. I think we're gonna put in some tomatoes, and we'll just have to see what goes into this. Now, this is not scientific. If you make something like this, you make it the way you like it. This one, I'm gonna make it the way we like it. All right, we're gonna get these cut up. Already started, hadn't I? And we're also gonna add onion in on this. It'll be a sweet onion. There's our yellow squash. Now, push up the zucchini and we'll get it cut up. All right, now I'm gonna tell you what, my mama used to make zucchini bread. Oh, it was good, I tell you. And she even made a apple pie, a zucchini apple pie. Put in this like it would be your apples. And I tell you what, and she used an apple pie filling, and it tasted just like apple pie. And it was good. When you don't have the means, you can develop good things to eat. Sure miss her cooking. Nothing like Mama's home cooking. All right. Now I think we need to get that in our pan. All right. Got that in there. Now let's take that off. And we'll take this off. Now we'll take and cut it up. I believe that'll work. Now, get that set in there. Okay, I almost forgot we have a bell pepper to cut up. I almost forgot. So, yeah, there. Take it down and put it in there. Let's see. Now. We're going to kind of mix this a bit. Now that's just the beef. I'm going to put a little more of that in there. Okay, we're gonna put some SPG on here. Just a bit, and then we'll mix it around again. Okay. Yep. Right. These are what I canned in 21. So if it has a good vacuum, they're still good. Let's listen. Oh yeah, they're still good. Crush them. They're whole tomatoes, so I'm gonna crush them a little bit. That'll work. Now I'm taking these and I'm just gonna crush them. Up in here. Oh, you gotta be careful. Okay, and that ought to work. And I'll give it a little bit more flavor. And I'm gonna mix it around. Looking good. Now that'll give it some good flavor. I am going to put in some chicken broth. Just kinda put it in here. There's 3 cups of chicken broth. And that ought to work. We're going to just kind of set it. Let's set it right here. And we're going to let that go. And we'll come back and check it. We're going to have it set for about 275 right now. Okay, we got that lid shut. And it's at 245. It'll come on up here and level off here in just a moment. We'll be back. Hey, I was going to show you these lights, and it's remote. Let me turn this one on. Now, they're pretty bright. I wish it was a little bit brighter, but they do a good job. And I can turn them off with my remote. I can set it for 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, dim, auto. And I've got 2 of them. Get it over. There it is. Okay, let's give it a look and see what it kind of looks like at this point. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. Okay, I think we're going to take it off and wrap it or put tinfoil over it. Let it bake just a little bit longer. And we're going to move it to the middle. I have some tinfoil here. Leave about like that for about 15-20 minutes. All right. Open it up a little bit. See what it looks like. Oh, that looks so good. And it tastes fantastic. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.